told ya, I'm a star. You see the ice, you see the cars, flashing lights everywhere we are. Late at night.
What's up, guys? We have just made it to Denver, and then we have another like hour and a half before we fly to LA. But I'm starving, so I'm about to get something to eat. Try to do anything for you. So tell me, girl, what you say.
Yes. Okay.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
You need to. Okay.
Am I supposed to say Paul?
Yeah.
Paul.
Wait, no one's pulling for you.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay, so wait again.
Paul. Holy mother.
Up, up.
Oh my gosh, that scared me. Okay.
Just push the red button.
I saved it too.
Okay. Just put it on my story.
No, don't make my story.
I took a pill in Ibiza. To show Avicii I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older. But fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. But you don't wanna be high like me, never really knowing why.
I think every girl does.
You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never knowing who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage singing, stuck up on that stage singing.
What's up, people? We're here at Redlands Market night, and we are here to get really good food. And I will show you guys how good this food is about to be.
Okay, let's start. And she's like, what are you doing?
Oh, that you're so cool.
I like that. Thanks. I got that.
What?
Oh, I thought he was talking. I thought she was talking about that.
Oh, I like that too.
Shut up.
I'm just a singer who already blew a shot. I get along with old timers cause my name's a reminder of pop song people forgot. And I can't keep.
I want food.
As soon as the sun comes up.
Oh my gosh, this pizza place is amazing.
Knowing why like me, you don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster and be alone. You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never knowing who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage singing, stuck up on that stage singing. Oh, I know sad souls, sad souls, darling. Oh.
Take the first bite on camera.
If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you up under my arm. I used up all of my tricks. I hope that you like.
Our Chucky, she's just enjoying her horn. This is Sean. He's been our camera guy the whole time. Hi.
Yeah.
Everyone's enjoying their food. Do you love her? She looks so funny.
I'm covering my lips because I ruined my voice for this. Wait,
How are we doing? What? I want to do
Wait, this is.
someone? Here you go. Thank you.
Sad souls, darling. All I know or sad songs.